So in this SeatGeek tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy MLB tickets or Major League Baseball tickets here through the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the home screen. So go to the bottom left, press on the home tab, or go right beside that, press on the search icon, and then search a specific MLB ticket that you're looking for through the app. But if we go back to the home screen here, simply just scroll down to where it says browse by category, then press on view all. Once you're here at the top where it says sports, I want you to press on view all. So once you're here, you can actually go ahead at the top here and select MLB. So I'll just slide this over, press on MLB. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and change your location. So my location is set to Los Angeles right now, so there's a whole bunch of different tickets in the Los Angeles area. You can go to the top, change your location as well as the dates, and then go through the searching that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy MLB tickets here through the SeatGeek application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.